Do you have a slate roof? If so, a great alternative is CertainTeed's Grand Manor. They used to have a beautiful slate roof 100 years ago, but obviously after 100 years of wear and tear, it needed to be replaced. They had multiple leaks in areas, pieces of slate missing, and instead of going all the way down to a basic dimensional shingle that's going to completely change the curb appeal of this house, they decided to do an upgrade and install the Grand Manor shingles. As you can see from the house, it's still giving the look of slate without the cost of replacing it with brand new slate on a roof. In Pittsburgh, we got a lot of slate roofs, and for homeowners, the cost of installing a brand new slate roof could be sometimes out of their budget. So CertainTeed developed a shingle called the Grand Manor, and it's really going to look like what you had up there before as close as possible, with keeping the costs down and still providing that curb appeal that the homeowners are looking for. The maintenance on this is going to be a lot less than on a slate roof. We do slate repairs, and when we're out at homeowners' houses performing a slate repair, you can always see where that new piece of slate is. You're not going to have a piece that's 75 years old or 100 years old next to a piece that's brand new looking the same. With this, CertainTeed developed about 7 different colors. This is, I believe, Old English, so it looks like the colonial slate. It has the gray and black granules with a speckle of the red, and it's going to be a 50-year shingled roof.